Yes. Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. This is a bit special for me as this is about my first car. In fact, the first money which I got it from a salary, and that's the reason it's a bit special. It is about, you're right, Ford Figo. Right. So let's start. How did I plan to buy Ford Figo in 2012? So when I planned to buy a new car, there was a lot of options have come. Well, that the first one was always dominating Swift, Maruti Swift, and Punto that very time, Tata. And the reason why I took the Ford Figo is lot of aspects which I did a study, in fact, for 6 months about how the Ford functioned, how the company came to the market. That time it was bit dominated by the Suzuki, not like now, how the new companies can come up and do the ads and all that. So there's a friend of mine who was working there in the Ford, so he was having a car, then a Figo. So I took a test drive. I really not really like is the word, I was in love with the car, with the first drive, because of two reasons, which is the build quality and the driving stability. Fantastic is the word that I have to say. Till now, it's been 8 years that I'm driving this car. I've taken 8 times Kerala to Mumbai. From my hometown to Mumbai, around 1,700 kilometers odd. I've taken 7 times or 8 times. If I'm not wrong, 8 times I've taken. From 2014, all the Christmas I've been coming. Now it's during Corona also coming twice in this year on this car. It never made me feel pity that I bought this car or feel bad about buying this car. Why did I buy this car? It never broke down on the road. That is a fact. It shows the durability and the sustainability of the Ford company, how they make it. It's very sturdy. Though the car doesn't look very fashionable or doesn't compete with other brands, but hats off to this car. Well, that be mileage, well, that be making quality, well, that be about what do you say about the features of the car, anything of that sort, safety features of the car, that sort. So let's get back into the car, get more detail about. Before getting into Ford Figo, one must know about what Ford is all about. Ford is a company started in 1903 by Henry Ford, and they started building up small segment cars. Then later on, conquering a lot of technologies, which are innovative technologies, to come out with inside the four-wheel drive or in the car segments. Ford is the first car which has involved, or the company involved in the First World War, which building for Nazis, for the Hitler's group to transport the arms and ammunition. Also, they have a big hand in making arms also for the First World War. So let's start with the Ford Figo. Why I like this car is all about the making quality. This is excellent. I have tried Swift, Polo, friends of mine, cousins of mine, but the build quality is excellent. Then that very point of time when I was buying this car, there was no manufacturing parts for Ford in India. That very point of time. Later on, it has come down to Chennai and they started manufacturing. So then it was a bit expensive for the parts and all that. But well, that we start with the door. You see, opening of this door is excellent feel. Even after 8 years also, I can't feel inside quality. The plastic quality which is used by the Ford is excellent. Sometimes, after a year or two, you started feeling the vibrations and all that. Nothing at all. I didn't do anything other than the basic services for this car, which is a yearly periodic services. So excellent build it is. So well, that be made of air vents or the steering control, all that. Let me just get into quickly, especially when you talk about the engine part of it. This is 1400cc, which is a TDCI, the direct fuel injection system which is used in it. When you talk about the maximum torque, it is 68 bhp at the rate of 2000 rpm. And when you talk about maximum speed, it is 160 nm at the rate of 4000 rpm. When about rest of all the things apart, when I talk about the mileage, excellent mileage. Bombay to Cochin is around 1700 kilometers. I could reach here with 2 full tanks. I mean, then we say 5,000 rupees or 5,500 rupees or I can reach home. When I come, especially I have dogs and a family to travel. This is the best economic car which I could figure it out. I can say, or I can reassure people to buy this car for that good reason. When you talk about the power, it talks about the power. It is little less compared to i20 Polo, but it serves the purpose. The reason why I really like this, because especially for the long drives, like we had twice a year traveling from Kerala to Mumbai, there were so many incidents had happened that if it was any other car, I could have banged on and we should have all crashed it. But great handling in this car. That is one thing I have to say. Great handling means amazing handling. At any speed, you take a U-turn, you take a curve. Where your mind is, there the wheels are. That is how this Ford is. Exactly built it upon. Even after 8 years also, like, the performance of this car is unbeatable. I have seen many cars. Swift I have driven, Polo I have driven, i20 for that matter. 8 years, all become grandfathers. Seriously. Teeth have gone down, tongue is out, some other problem. This, not a problem. The reason why I can, why I have told in the above video that I can even assure that people can buy it, because in case if you get a second-hand car of this, please go for it. If it is less than 2 lakh kilometers, my car is 85,000 kilometers old now, but it can still run up to 1.5 lakh kilometers easily if you maintain it very well. Just do the periodic services and maintain it, not to drive very rough, but I had driven my car very rough. There was an incident I can tell you. Once we went to Mahabaleshwar or somewhere of that, the hilly side, for the paragliding. That's in Maharashtra side. So there were only trucks and jeeps who were going those roads. Like, you know, those are big rocks, as in the size of your head. So I was literally taking this car on that road. Trust me, you can ask my wife also. She was like bang on going in the first gear, non-stop, on and on and on and on and on. And little problem which I could find then was the road clearance. Because you can see it, little low, so Jeeps have better road clearance. So this could be a problem compared to other cars. If you see it, the road clearance is little low, but rest all is beatable thing. Rest all is beatable thing. Well, that when you come over to this car has got 284 liters, and easily a small family can travel with all this space. 2 big bags or 2 big suitcases, along with 2 small bags also come along. When you fold this car's back seat, it is even more space than 284 liters. Look at the amount of space, you can see it. From Mumbai, prior to the Corona lockdown, I have come to Bombay with my dog, my cousin, his suitcase, my suitcase, dog's cage, everything was stuffed in this car. Still it was running non-stop. The main reason why I like this car and wanted very badly to take a review about this car, because during Corona lockdown, there was no hotel. So 1700 kilometers we drove non-stop with just 1 hour of sleep on the road in Bangalore somewhere highway, because Corona time there was no hotels there. We started afternoon from Mumbai at the Juhu. Then we were driving continuously this car till 7 or 8 in the morning, like shifting the driving and reached till Bangalore 8 in the morning. Slept for 1 hour hardly, Then again we started the car. It was ready to go. Drove continuously. The next day morning, 4 o'clock, I reached home. So this is I don't know what to say. Any words in English is much lesser to compare to this car, this brand, because this car was continuously running for 34 hours odd and non-stop. Still didn't give any problem, any of the issues which normally the cars can get it because of continuous driving. I didn't get it at all. That's the main reason I wanted to do a video about this car. Console. It's just basic the fuel indicator, speedometer, and a digital meter here. And this digital meter, if you see it, this total kilometer run and first trip and distance to empty. That is all. But lot many things you can see it in this console. I think it is only in the Ford cars. You should try in all the Ford cars, but I don't know about other cars also. I'll just show how to do it. So guys, what you have to do is insert the key, turn it to on position, do not ignite it. Simultaneously press this button all at the same time. So I'll show you a demonstration. See, so there's a gauge came like this. The meter goes completely to 120 degrees. 120 is speed, and it shows gauge. Then you keep on pressing what all you wanted to see. A lot of options, you get it. See, there's a blinking first. It shows what all lights are there in the console. What all you have in this console. The light, you can just go through it once again. Next option, if you keep on pressing it, this is technically year of car. This is speedometer in digital. That was RPM, I guess. RPM. Let me start the car along with it. See, that was RPM. Oh yeah, the 13 was the battery's voltage. This is the battery voltage, how much battery voltage you have in it. Supposed to be 12, but showing 13, a little more, I think. Run and save pretty well. And 37 degrees, this is the temperature showing inside currently. What is the temperature inside the car? Yeah, BE is the battery charging. See, when you raise it, it is going up, 14 watts. 14 watts. To the final point about this car, which most of them wanted to ask me, is mileage, especially with the high fuel rate and the current scenario with the fuel rates are going on. This car in Bombay City was giving me 18 kilometer per liter, which when you go for a long drive and all, especially Pune side, like 150 kilometers in the hills and all that, it gives me 20 kilometers per liter. And when I come to Kerala, like the long drive, like stretch of drive, which gave me around 23 to 25 liters kilometer per liter, which used to get it with me. And if you switch off the AC, bang on, it goes up to 26, 27 and all that. Trust me, this is my word. There are some negatives when you talk about this car, which I have not faced it, but I have overheard it from the people, is that the fuel injector which is used in this car is a Bosch. So what Bosch has a problem is after 80,000 kilometers, 90,000 kilometers, the fuel injectors start giving problems. You know, the dust particles inside the diesel and get stuck. It won't give the proper injection into the cylinder to go and get the proper ignition for the fuel to go, car to run, fuel to burn. So that could be one reason. I have not faced it yet. Even if that happens also, second-hand one costs you around 5,000 rupees, a good second-hand one. You can buy from market. Top of that, new one will cost you around 16,000 rupees, which I did R&D and how much it cost. One more negative thing I have found it is that indicator is on your left hand side. So technically what happened in other cars, this is because of an American car, they put all the indicators in the left hand side, wiper is on the right hand side. So when you can turn with one hand, you always need the other hand to put the indicator, and that is a little extra effort when you drive, go for a long trip. That's all. Otherwise, if I don't find it that as a big hurdle for me. But otherwise, it's a fantastic car, economy car for the family. One more thing is that people who drove this car will never like now. So you can see when you put on the AC windows up, absolutely no extra sound from outside. At least, I mean, you can hear the honking sound of other cars and all that. Apart from that, cabin is very quiet, very cool. I want to take you in a bit more straight road with a good speed, but I currently don't have a straight road coming up. Just to show the stability of the car, how sturdy the car or how good grip they have it on the road, the Figo has on the road. Excellent control this car has. Just the peppiness of pickup, the initial pickup is lagging. I wouldn't mind because I am not going for a race though. I'm always a slow and smooth driver, and especially you get it in i20 and Polo, the initial pickup, because it's 69 PS, other cars are 100 PS, 80 PS, all that. So that initial lagging is a bit low, but excellent drive, excellent control. Safety is more priority for me than just driving. Yeah, I mean, anybody can make a car with the full power, but more efficient and with more stability is conclude the video. What I want to say is, if anybody is looking for a second-hand car, Ford Figo is a must-buy car, but make sure that it should run less than 2 lakhs kilometer, and it should fit your budget also. Also wanted to tell you that please do like, share and subscribe our channel. You are the only one who can share it and make us more reach to the people who wanted to buy a second-hand car or anything of that sort. And soon I'll be coming out with yet another video. We have come a beautiful place called Kutikanam, which is 40 kilometers odd from my hometown, and you can just see through it. Which I'll do it, some forces.